Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas May 24. Merry Christmas Eve! Brownies for Santa. We make something every year. Last year was sugar cookies. This year is brownies for Santa. With a twist. You will see. Enjoy. And now we pray. What's that?
No, guess what? It's a for real. Come on, girls, let's do this. 16 minutes to check on the brownies.
You're trying to hit this low note. And what is the name of this song? It's a Boys to Men song.
It's Share Love.
Okay, there's a note in the beginning that I just can't hit and Cameron can't hit.
Yeah, I can hit it.
Oh, she can't hit it. Okay, wait, hold on.
I can hit it.
Excuse me, hold on. I'm ready. It's the time of the year again for you.
That was. Did I? Yeah. I'm a tenor. Effortlessly. Be a breeze. Effortlessly.
Me being a bass.
But my thing is, that feels good on my throat.
Oh my god, the right thing!
Wait.
Prison.
Can you open it for me?
They're in prison.
Oh,
They
snap.
have risen.
Bless. See, that was taking a long time. Is there something on the screen?
Devin is going to change in 3, 2, 1.
Time of the year again for you to share. Oh, easily. I'm warmed up now. I can really. Oh, my hip. December nights.
This make me real
Really
scared.
Oh, I think the bottom is burning. They burn? I think the bottom is burning.
Oh.
We gotta take them out. Bottom drawer, bottom drawer. Tip where you were before. Go back, bottom drawer. I wanted these to be a little bit more discreet so it would be a surprise when you bit into it, but it's fine. Y'all, I can't wait and peep the Oreos coming through. Yes, first bite reaction. Here we go. Gonna cut into it. Gotta get a bite of everything. Yo. Okay. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to go to sleep tonight. And I know most people are watching this on Christmas, so I hope everyone and their family has a wonderful Christmas. And this will be my last regular style vlog because my Christmas Day vlog is going to be a little bit different. So stay tuned for the day after, or it might be a couple days after. I'm not 100% sure. Have a great night. Sleep tight. And don't forget the reason for the season. Merry Christmas!